Hey, Cal State Long Beach College of Engineering. Jennifer Didlo here, mechanical engineering graduate and chair of the 100 Plus Women Strong Initiative. Are you interested in hearing from and speaking with women who have successful careers in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and computing? Or perhaps you want to get more connected with other students, faculty, and staff within the College of Engineering. Maybe gain some hands-on skills with mentoring, networking, overcoming stereotypes, or finding your right role. Well, if you do, please join us on March 19th at noon for a free workshop put on by the 100 Plus Women Strong Initiative within the College of Engineering. The workshop is sponsored by Southern California Edison. We'll have an opportunity to hear remarks from President Connolly and Interim Dean Maples about Cal State's continued commitment to increase diversity within the College of Engineering. And then we have a fantastic keynote speaker, one of Shell's vice presidents, Sydney Kimball, who will talk about her career and her path and the lessons that she's learned. The rest of the workshop will be focused on small group discussions led by dynamic women from industry, focused on skills to help you with your success and through your path. So if you want to join, please find us at csulb.edu/COE and look for the link that says 100 Women Strong Free Workshop. Hope to see you there. Thanks.